Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, an API key and a client library. Now make your first call. Use the official client to send a minimal JSON request with queue and engine fields and include location if you need local results. Once sent, inspect HTTP 200 and the return JSON structure to confirm keys like organic results. Make sure to log raw responses so you see rate limit headers and errors. This prevents chasing non-existent bugs later. You now parse the payload. Pull organic results, ads, and knowledge graph entries and normalize fields you need. Then refine queries by adding language, device, and date restrictions so responses match your intent. Once done, implement pagination with start or offset and iterate carefully. Watch quota and back off on 429 responses. Make sure to use structured error handling and retries with exponential backoff, so intermittent network failures don't. Finish by integrating parsed data into your application and caching responses to cut costs and latency. Set a sensible TTL. Then add monitoring, track usage, errors, and latency so you can adjust queries or quotas. If things go wrong, inspect the raw JSON response and compare the exact request parameters. Location or device mismatches are common culprits. Make sure to implement retries with exponential backoff on 429 or 5xx, and log failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.